What's up, guys? Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7.
Hello.
Where are we, Licray?
We're at St Ives RCCC.
And we're here to do something a little bit different. We're going to unbox. What have we got here?
We've got the
Awesome WR8 FLUX Chem Block Edition. 60 miles an hour.
We've been debating
So
whether it's
Aussies. That's near, or 97 kilometres an hour. Not 100, Licray.
97.
Bingo. There we go.
Yeah, it's not even. Yeah.
So here we go. We wanted. Well, Licray wants to use it today. I was going to take it home, do an unboxing, but no, we'll do it here, trackside.
Yeah, get it dirty.
Get it dirty and see how it goes. These look cool. I think I might get one as well. So maybe 5x1 I can. No, I'm not going to do another unboxing.
We're our track got converted to carpet, so these are nice and soft. And we'll show you anyway in the Vijay.
We will. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get it open. Something a little bit different. Sorry about the sun and glare, guys. All right, here we go.
The presenter, guys.
Presenter, yeah, it's all me. The drone guy, that's him.
BGK.
Carl. BGK. What's up, Carl? All right, here we go. So basic construction manual, WR8, isn't it? Flux. That's the one. HPI Racing. Now this is from Crazy Hobbies. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go check it out. Sorry, I'm in the sun. Let me go this side. Okay, here we go. First up, normal.
This is the HPI one.
The paperweight, I think.
Wonder why they went into receivership.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, they went into receivership again.
That's why we bought this bad boy.
That's all, yeah. And we also have another. What's the other one you bought?
The Hoonigan. What do you call it? I don't know. I just
The Mustang.
saw a box and I bought it.
The sick looking one. But we're not going to run that one. I'll unbox it, but we want to keep it in
I believe that's how you
pristine.
turn it on.
Basic 2x4. What is it? The TF41?
Yep.
Yeah, TF41, 2x4 gigahertz. Look, it does a job for ready to run. You can't beat it.
You go like that, you go like that.
And you got all your switches here, reversers, you got your dual rates.
Look at that, Steve.
Oh, you need these. You don't have enough. Oh, well, you got the kit just for the AA batteries because there's nothing open today and good on the.
Good.
What's
Sunday?
today?
Sunday.
Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everyone. And you also, you have 4 different size Allen keys just there, and different spaces because it also does have this plastic shocks.
Yeah, they look
The
like
preloads
for your shocks.
probably.
Lovely.
Anyway, we won't be using that. Let's get this beautiful car out because this body is a work of art. Well, I think HPI do some of the.
Oh, don't tell me it's like scrabble time.
I hope you got the nitro version.
I'll get my WhatsApp with me.
Here we go. Let's take this off. Pardon?
Like that?
Look at that colour. So yeah, something a little bit different. Trackside, it's a beautiful day here. Beautiful Easter Sunday.
25 degrees.
25, yeah. It's just in autumn, obviously.
Celsius, so it's still freaking hot.
Sorry if it's a bit windy. Look at the size of those cable ties.
Man.
Where are they? Where's this thing
I
going?
hope they weren't recycles.
Nah. You need the money, mate, or? Oh, you broke it. You don't know what you're doing. So yeah, the track's now just converted to carpet, so this should be pretty perfect. But Licray has some good plans for this. You might even slam it down and you can put on the road. Yeah?
Yep, you should. Sorry, I was just concentrating on Black Sabbath.
I should put that down, otherwise we're going to get demonetised for a second.
Oh no, we better.
Alright, we just have to turn the music down, otherwise copyright. Alright, let's unbox it, have a look, Licray. What have we got here?
Okay, oh,
It's a sick colour.
do you want to have a look at the chassis first? Or
Not live, just recording.
Well, that sucks. Say hello to the associates.
Hang on, boys. There's a crew. Colour. It's a beautiful colour, eh?
That's nice, eh? Get her, eh? Get out of it! What do you reckon, guys? 1/10 or 1/8?
Nah, it's not 1/10. No way near 1/10.
That's virtually the same size as my Subaru.
Yes.
Well, compared to a Shoals course.
I love these, eh?
Then again, it's only a small car.
That's virtually the same size.
Get rid of that cardboard.
Why?
The stand. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than 1/10, but a bit smaller than 1/8. Yeah, that's what's good for this around here, I reckon. Alright, so what have we got? What specs? Do you know the specs?
No.
It's got a servo, it's got ESC, brushless motor. Oh, your favourite Deans.
Oh yeah, can't wait. Can't wait to cook those.
Yep. Okay, so basically what we got here, we've got a 4000 kV, obviously brushless motor.
HPI usually run all their stuff, don't they?
And I'm pretty sure, is that a steel pinion?
It sure is.
Yep. Steel pinion and spur, obviously. Sorry, steel spur and metal pinion.
Oh, it's going to be crunchy. Yep, sounds like it.
Basic steering servo. What is that? That is your 20 WR. I'm not sure the specs on that, but it looks pretty sweet. Shocks here, it's got these nice orange front and rear sway bars, but they are
Preloads.
yeah, plastic preloads, so we'll drop kick them straight away. Obviously 4-wheel drive, 3 differentials, all metal internal gears as well. I like these foam bumpers, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice and high.
Because you need those.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to need those.
But you can see how high this thing is, so it's what, nearly an inch underneath?
I'd say so.
Just share of an inch. 2 fingers, one in. Okay, obviously on and off switch, all waterproof electronics as well, because this is, I guess you could be using it, you know, in water, because it's like a rallycross style. Pretty damn sweet. Front and rear, what is that? Sorry, front and rear.
Oh, Steve-o.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Oh, look at all these. Damn it.
That's what I was about to say. Front and rear plastic brace, but you can get aluminium.
Yeah, well, these are all the optional parts.
So you're going to get every one of those times 2. I like those wheels too.
Yeah.
But you know what? These what sets it apart. Look
Yeah.
check these out. So these got this decorative. I don't know if this is a decorative separate part that can go on the outside, but it does look pretty sweet. Can block wheels and tyres. Always look cool. Here we go. So you got some of the specs here. Let's say what steering servo. Yeah, but it doesn't say how many kilos it is. 3mm chassis. Adjustable battery box, that's good. You can always obviously shorten it. And this can only run up to a 3S LiPo. Basic specs here, 300mm wheelbase, 227mm width, and the total length is 485mm. Tyre diameter 80mm. What else we got here? Yeah, waterproof.
We'll see.
Silicone oil-filled shocks. Yes, we know the... and it's also got 3mm chassis and also 3mm front and rear shock towers as well. But you can see these are adjustable, the heights. So... yeah.
The MH-3S ESC, brushless electronic speed controller.
Does it say, is it 80 amp? What?
It's...
Sorry guys, we're new to this, so we just saw this and it looks cool as shit, so we thought,
We
you know
just
what?
picked it up.
We just picked it up because it looks so cool.
I just got sold by the
body.
The body.
Let's have a look. Let's have another close look at this body. Hold it up, look at that colour.
So that's
It's beautiful.
metallic purple, was
Metallic purple. Man, HPI always do good jobs on their bodies.
And this is, man, this is no...
It's pretty thick. And
I'm
is
gonna
this,
need this.
tri-coated?
I'd say
I think they got like a white and then a black on the inside. But even look at this, like the wing, it's an additional part.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's an additional. It's actually held on by screws. Got the front one, it's got a front splitter. No, it's all moulded in. But the stickers and stuff are, yeah, they're done really good, eh?
Gonna run the...
I love that, the gold.
Gonna throw the SSS1 in it and run a 4-cylinder turbo with the pop-off.
So what are you going to do to this in the future? You're going to
Well, I'll just...
change the ESC? You're going to...
I'll change the ESC to probably go to a 3S and a 4S.
And for Taba gear?
Yeah, put the Futaba because that's all I run. Hey, Carvo.
Yep.
Shocks.
Yep.
These preloads, they give you the shits.
They do, but you know, for a kit,
Yeah,
it's pretty
full
cool.
of RTR, it's bloody awesome. And look at that.
Let me
that's
see if I can
really
put it on here
nice.
so people can see the actual height. Oh, you can't. But yeah, it's about just over, well, on without compression, it's probably just an inch. Just an inch. But yeah, man, it looks cool. It's got these guards here as well. It's the splash guards.
Oh, definitely foams inside.
They are.
Oh, hell, feel that. Look at that.
Yeah, it's got a lot of roll to it, eh?
Took my skin off.
You got baby hands. But nice. Oh, look at this. Even like I like even these little touches. It might not mean much to some people, but like the Ken block,
Yeah, man.
little labelling and all that kind of stuff. Underneath the chassis, everything's obviously countersunk.
Good
All
luck with that.
hex hardware. That's going to get scratched to the shit. But at least on carpet it won't. And let me check. Hopefully it does. It does have. You can put droop screws in there. So it's got the holes for the droop screws. What that does, you can screw it down and you can lower the car mechanically, I guess. Is that a...
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's also got here at the back as well. So it's always good. You can lower the ride height when you stiffen it up. and then you can change the spring settings as well.
Oh,
but
definitely going to slam it.
definitely will. I do like the orange accents and the front and rear sway bars. Looks pretty damn sweet. So all this bracing you can upgrade to metal. Yeah.
So you usually do your rear, your front, and those.
Yeah, and we never normally change anything.
Leave the A-arms.
Yeah, we don't change A-arms.
And probably do knuckles and
Maybe
steering.
these as well. Maybe you can change these so you can adjust your camber.
Yeah.
You can change your current, you can do the toe in and toe out, but you can't change the camber at all. But apart from that, you got two positions up top for your suspension, and at the front we have a bit more. You have three really.
Yeah.
1, 2,
So
3.
I think they're taking the ride height higher in the front.
You can actually put it up here as well. Oh no, you can put it down even lower.
Oh yeah.
And the back is you can raise the back because it's razor back. But you can also put it there and lift it up a little bit more at the rear as well. But that's about it. Quick unboxing while we're at the track. Next video we'll get this guy out. What do you reckon, Luke Ray?
There you go.
See how long it lasts. But as a kit, you know, it's not a true RTR. You need to buy your battery and charger, but the radio gear and all that type's pretty decent. Let me have a look, in case you guys want to know. It's pretty decent. This one you can use one-handed too. I've got big boy hands, Luke Ray, so you can use this one. Steering rate, throttle, dual rate, sorry. It's also, 3-channel there. I wonder what that one's for.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so maybe you can put a set of lights on there.
Horn.
And what's on this here? One sec. On the other side here you have your reverse switches and stuff like that for all three, because it's a 3-channel radio.
Oh, they're a good RTR.
Oh, you can't beat them. And it's I'm pretty sure it's 4 AA batteries, which you get included in the kit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And this little thing where you go like that.
Scuba duba.
Done.
Yep, that adjusts. Oh, no, that's for
Yep.
them.
That's adjusting your switches
As
there.
if we ever touch those.
Who uses those? But anyway, pretty cool. Well, I think that's us, Luke Ray. That was our first trackside, on-side. But here we go. That's it. So next video we'll get this guy out. We should do it today. While we're here. And we'll get you out on the buggies as well, do some driving footage. But peace out. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you like our video, check us, or give us a good old thumbs up. And what else? Subscribe, hit the notification bell,
the thingy button,
and check us out on Instagram as well. So, thanks guys, hope you have a good day, and we'll see you soon.